Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to take a minute while I have a free minute and share a win that I had yesterday with you all. Okay, now if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with all that being said, yesterday I was out with my wife and it was dinner time. We'd gotten back into the car and I checked my email and I saw that I received a new sale from HBA. So when I went ahead and opened up the email, I saw that it was a $400 commission, and the person who joined or made the, who purchased the Financial Literacy Academy went all in. So on top of the $400 commission, I'm also going to be receiving $128 a month as long as this member stays active, for as long as he stays active, right? So I got a one-time $400 commission and then $128 in monthly residuals. And I can tell you this from, I've been with the company long enough now, that the people who go all in, they don't quit. They don't quit. Because you only need two people to be, two referrals to be in profit, all right? And you can make a lot of money with this company. Now, I do have the earnings disclaimer down below in the video description, all right? The exact earnings disclaimer that we are supposed to use when we're talking about HBA and commissions, okay? So go ahead and read that. But what I can tell you on here is that I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this opportunity simply because it's dependent on your work ethic. And most people join these opportunities thinking that they're going to get rich overnight. And when they don't, they quit. They give up on themselves right away, for whatever reason. That's why only 2% of marketers ever make money, is because the other 98% of people give up on themselves before they even give themselves a fair chance, all right? So go ahead and read that earnings disclaimer down below. I can't guarantee you that you're going to make anything with this opportunity, but I love everything about it, all right? And HBA is more than just the commissions. It's not, that's just a really good part of it, but we have so much more. We have a community inside here that is, there's no other community like it, all right? It's like our own little Facebook private community inside your back office. And the cool thing about having a community with like-minded people is that you're going to get support right from the get-go. From the minute you sign up and you log into your back office, you will feel welcomed and you will feel like you're a part of a family, because that's what you are. You're joining a family, all right? And it's a family of marketers who, we all have the same objective. We are all looking for ways to earn from home, to make money. Some of us do it full-time. Some people are just getting involved. Some people are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income. Different stories, different walks of life, very diverse group, and it's awesome. The cool thing about having a community like ours is that you're not doing it alone, okay? And I know from years and years and years of being in this industry what it's like to walk on an entrepreneurial journey, because most people don't have the mindset that we do, right? Most family members don't understand what it is we're trying to do. Most people are programmed to believe that you grow up, you go to college, you get a job, you get the white picket fence out in front of your house, you have the 2 kids, the dog, and all that stuff. So most people aren't even trained, when they hear about somebody working from home, it doesn't resonate with them. They don't know. They're like, why would you want to do that? We're programmed to go to college and get a job. Nothing wrong with that, all right? I went to college. But I know that I make more money doing my own thing than if I were to use my degree and go work for somebody else, And I have more time freedom. I can do, that's the beautiful thing about this, is that we're all looking for more time freedom, because that's the only thing in life you can't get back. You cannot, there's no way to get more time back. You can lose all your money and make it back. You can't, you can't get time back. So the community is awesome, having people who are like-minded with the same goals and objectives as you to be a part of that. It's awesome. But then it's more than that. It's training. We have weekly webinars. We have daily phone calls. Like I said, top-notch training, coaching, the support, everything that you need to go and be successful in the work from home space is what HBA is all about. All right, and you have all the tools that you need. We have an app that helps you, with your daily routine to keep you on track. We have funnel builders, page builders. We have AI tools, image creators, all that stuff. Okay, and the cool thing is that you can earn up to $400 one-time commissions, and you can earn up to $128 per month in residual income per referral. All right, so you don't need a lot of people to make a full-time income with this opportunity, and that's why I love it. And then you throw on top the community, the coaching and the support and everything that you get. It's just a win-win. Okay, this company's been in business for 10 years now. They've never changed the comp plan. They're always adding more value. And it's just incredible. I mean, in all the years I've been doing this, I've never been a part of something this great. All right, so you're going to learn marketing, you're going to learn mindset, you're going to learn business skills. And even if you think you know everything, all right, you're going to learn something new. All right, 20 years in this industry, I can tell you that I've seen a lot of things. And I'll be honest with you, I thought that I knew a lot more than what I really did. Right? But joining HBA and becoming part of this community, I'm learning stuff every single day to help me grow my mailbox money empire. All right? So what I'm doing is I'm using Facebook and YouTube and direct mail to help me build my mailbox money empire one step at a time. And HBA is a huge part of that. All right? It's just a great opportunity. So you can build this online, offline, however you want to build it. I do both simply because I get more eyeballs onto my opportunities that way. But I really enjoy doing direct mail. So, and if you do this long enough and stay with it long enough and not give up on yourself, you will see that your consistent hard work will start to eventually pay off. And that's what's happening for me. All right. I have a plan to work till I'm 50 years old and then no longer do our soap company and the other little businesses that I do, and just have a nice flow of residual income coming in to where I can go and do whatever I want, when I want, for as long as I want, and not ever worry about cash flow again. Okay? And that's a pretty cool goal to have. All right? I'm 45 years old right now. So in the next 5 years, when I'm 50, that is going to be that's going to be it. I'm going to be focusing all my time on just these income streams that I'm using, which you can see over at Join Russ. If you want more information and you want to explore HBA, go to joinruss.com. There'll be a link down below this, and go check it out and see if it's something for you. But you have everything that you need, including a done-for-you funnel system that does everything, for all the selling and telling for you, all the hard work. You just have to go out there and share your link, all right? And when you join me, you'll get all my resources where you can, there's over 80 different places online to share this opportunity. You'll get my letter template I use, my contact information in case you have any questions or need any help. You can reach out to me, and I'll be here to help support you. But go and check it out. HBA is an awesome, awesome, awesome opportunity and community, all right? So go ahead, click on the link, and then make sure you read the HBA disclaimer down below in the video description as well. But that's going to be it. Your future can change when you finally stay consistent with one thing. And this is something that it doesn't matter if you're a newbie marketer or somebody who has been doing it as long as me or longer. You want to be a part of HBA, okay? So reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. But that's it for this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.